Houseplan is a versatile three-dimensional modeling and rendering software that's ideal for building planning in other industries. Whether you're working in urban planning, exterior or interior design, animation or beyond, Houseplan empowers you to quickly and easily create detailed, three-dimensional schemes and publish them without relying on any plugins. With its powerful features and intuitive interface, Houseplan is the go-to tool for both hobbyists and professionals. With just one click, users can easily extrude a plane and transform it into a building. But that's not all. Our software allows you to add windows, balconies, or doors with just a few convenient parameter settings. Interior designing can also be completed more simply and quickly. With our Houseplan, roads can be created and edited in the most efficient way. More detailed modeling can be easily achieved through the Advanced Modeling module. It is compatible with various data formats, including importing and editing oblique photography. Materials can be easily and efficiently applied and adjusted, and they can be conveniently imported from various sources, whether individually or in bulk. With our extensive scene gallery and the ability to import materials from various sources in different formats, your designs can be effortlessly adorned and enhanced. The scene can be viewed freely by following the path you have set, and the weather can be changed easily. After completion, an independent and interactive exe file can be generated, making it much more convenient to share and view your fabulous work.